Hello everyone, I'm here to tell you about the Revlon-Onestep volumizing hairbrush. It is a blow dryer and round brush in one. It has 3 different settings. You got high, low, and cool. I like to use Olaplex number 6. It's a bond smoothing cream that helps to give smoothness to the hair. And I like to cocktail it with the number 7 bonding oil, also from Olaplex. Both together will give me a smooth, shiny blowout. And you need only about a nickel to dime size amount depending on the length and density of your hair. So what I will do is I will actually comb it through my hair with my fingers, and just to make sure I get it 100% saturated throughout my entire head. So what I did here was I split it down the middle, sectioned it out by my nape, and what you see now is me starting to blow it out. So I will pull and tug to get it smooth, and then I will round it to curl it under to give me body and a little bit of a curl underneath. And you see a little bit of the bounce and how it just nicely frames my collarbone. And I continue the same process on the other side. It does get very hot, so you do want to move quickly, otherwise it can be a bit uncomfortable. See, it's nice and smooth. Again, nice bounce. I really like that. That's amazing, actually, with this tool. So what I'll do now is I'll section it above my ears, and because it does get very hot, I will actually move it down to the low setting. Even though it takes longer to blow out my hair with this temperature, it's easier for my ears to bear. My phone's getting ready to die, so I had to unplug it and plug it and switch angles. And so what I'm doing now is I'm actually flipping it outward. There's no right or wrong way to go about this. I just like to flip it out to give a different look. It also makes it easier for me to tug the hair from the back and pull it forward. And so that's what I do is once I blow dry the sides, I will actually go and start pulling on my hair from the back, and I'll start bringing it all forward. It just makes it a lot easier for me to blow it all out and get it all nice and smooth. And by flipping it outward, it gives it a different look, but also makes my job a lot easier. And I just repeat the process on the other side. So it is really, like I said, there's no right or wrong way. I just like to do this. I have a lot of hair, so I'm not really going for body. I'm going more for smoothness and to control these waves. And just doing it this way just makes my life a lot easier. And I still end up getting the body I need, and it helps to show off my layers as well. And I continue the same process with my bangs and throughout the rest of my head. And then once I'm all done, I'll go one more round, and then here's the finished product. And I smooth it out with my hands. I love this tool for this very reason. It saves me a bunch of time. It took me 15 minutes to blow dry my hair. I had let it air dry to about 95%, so that really helps out too. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I look forward to more in the future.